Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Figma desktop app. So first of all you just have to open your web browser and in the search bar you will have to simply type Figma. Once you have done that, you are going to see the official website of figma.com and here you will be able to see Figma downloads link. So simply need to click on this link and then you will be redirected on this Figma downloads page. Now over here you just have to scroll down a bit and here you will have to click on the option of a desktop app for Windows. After clicking on it, you will be able to see that the setup of Figma will be start downloading in your device. So you just have to click on it and then you just have to wait for some time until the Figma setup is downloading. Now once it is downloaded successfully, you will have to double click on it and then you will be able to see the interface of Figma application that will look something like this. Now over here you will be asked to sign in into your Figma account and you will be given two options. So you can log in with your browser, or if you haven't created your account before on Figma, then you can also create your account. For this video, I'm going to select it as login with browser, and if you have selected the same option, then you will be redirect on your browser where you are going to see your email address. So you will have to click on the option of open with desktop app and then you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the top. So you will have to select the option of open Figma and then you will be able to easily log in with your email address on Figma app, and this way you will be able to easily use it in your laptop or PC. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.